Okay, guys, this is what I'm just going to share is that just supporting resistance. And if anybody who's interested, just um, go into the comment. But what I'll be able to show you is that where I put in supporting resistance, your current at the current time was 680. Was around was like 681.53. So we normally go over here and we put a support there, and then I'll find out what is the floor. The floor should be 680, 679. So I'll find out what 670, 678, 679. Okay, and then I'll put a floor there. Edit. Support, and I just do this support, and probably 679, so I make it even. 679 there. That's gonna be your support. Okay, that's your market support. Boom. This is the high, 680, 683.96. So let's do this. Edit. Okay. And then 680. So anything if it holds above 680 and it resists, the ceiling is 683. This is your ceiling, 683. So we'll put a box here. Just really quick. Okay, box 683. That's your high. This is what it has to resist. Okay, 683. Okay, so this right here is would be your target. Okay, if it resists 683, then it's coming back down. Okay, and possibly coming to retest this 679. Okay, and if it resists 679, you're looking, this is where you back up. You go find your market support. This right here, this would be your second target, 675. Okay, I'm not going to spend too much time with it. Edit, duplicate, boom. Okay, boom. That's it. I'm sharing this moment with you so you'll understand what support and resistance. If it resists 683, and if it resists and then holds support on 680, okay, let's do 680 too. But that's because 680 is your main floor, okay? Just remember that. I'm not going to go over it. I'm just trying to tell you what I'll be sharing. I'm just trying to tell you what I'm going to be sharing with my group. This is Essex. This is Pace. This is me. This is giving back and supporting humanity. If you're interested on it, I will be posting. I'll be posting this on my Pace Systems YouTube channel. Okay, I got pacesystems.org and I have Pace Systems where my token is. Guys, G7 is something I started, as a global movement. I started this back in January. I'm all about I'm all about humanity. I'm all about trying to figure out a way, a strategy for our communities to come together. And I came to the realization we need to unite globally. So this is what I'm gonna add. I'm gonna add content to my to my channel, guys. Um, so always the trades. If you have a ticker, hey, share it. Let's be an analysis, and then I'll show you how I did it with AI. With how to ask AI to help you with your to draw, just like you would do when you're following following someone else or a robot. Or I'm just saying, whatever you do, babes, um, it's important that we learn how to manage our finances just the way the Bible has said it to be. He didn't tell us, based on Revelation, Matthew 24. It gives us and shows us about three things: tithing, offering, and talents. Talents is your money. You must manage it. And God told the, one of his followers, he said, "Hey, listen, go to the um, go and fish, and then the first fish you go out, get the talent, and go pay mine and your taxes." I came to understand this is what he is what we're doing. We are learning how to put our money into our land, our commodities, our goods, and services. Then we go pay our taxes. But you have to learn the system. Don't get mad at the system. Understand it. I'm a strategist. God put me in this direction and gave me a full understanding, and it may just be for me. If you need any, like I said, if this helps you, let me know. Thanks.